Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on Bluetooth in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. There are two ways to turn on Bluetooth in your mobile phone. First method is just go to the notification area and you will find the Bluetooth icon there. Just click on it so that Bluetooth will be turned on in your phone. Okay. Then I am going to show the next method. If you don't see any icon in your notification area, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to Bluetooth option below SIM card and mobile network. Just click on it and just turn on this button so that Bluetooth will be turned on and your device will be showing to other devices if they have enabled Bluetooth on their devices, and just you can pair with another device. Okay, so in these two methods we can easily turn on Bluetooth in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.